Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, those winds pretty busy today, at times gusting up to 35 miles per hour, but also bringing in some dry air after some morning clouds, some sunshine. As we take a peek, it's a live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, and we're very dry right now. Heading out this evening, obviously a bundle up kind of night. The wind certainly making it feel colder, but not finding any precipitation. Skies are generally clear, and we're just a few minutes now from sunset as we take a peek at weather headlines. And again, we're still in a quiet pattern, at least for now, but boy, we are really starting to see signs of things turning unsettled big time next week. A very active weather pattern, which includes some snow, some sleet, and some rain, a little bit of everything. But for now, we're looking good. As we take a look at live pictures in downtown Providence, looking off to the west, get a few thin clouds. That's about it. It's generally clear, windy, and cool. Temperature at 40. Throw in that wind, though. It feels a little cooler at 31, with a west-northwest breeze at 17, a dry wind direction, so the humidity now at 50%. Down to 37 in Smithfield, upper 30s along the South Shore, westerly at 40, as well as Providence and Taunton, and New Bedford checking in at 39 degrees. Storm still stuck up in Canada. And again, the reason why we point this out, this is acting like the wind machine responsible for the blustery conditions across New England today, but also bringing in some fairly dry air as well. But those gusty winds continue this evening. And into the weekend, though perhaps not quite as strong tomorrow as what we had today, but a combination of a high pressure building in and these dry northwesterly breezes, we stay storm-free, at least for now. So for this evening, clear to partly cloudy and blustery, looking at a temperature falling to the lower 30s by 11 o'clock in the evening. And then overnight tonight, generally clear. Late night lows just before sunrise at about 28 degrees. So for your Saturday morning, waking up to sunshine, 6 a.m., 29. By 11 o'clock in the morning, it rebounds to 39 degrees. And then during the afternoon, topping out at 43. Some fair weather clouds, but generally sunny. And while it will be a blustery day, the wind speed's not quite as strong as what we had today. Here it is city by city and town by town for your Saturday afternoon, with that northwest wind at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Temperatures are going to fall somewhere between roughly 41 and 44 for the afternoon high. I mean, the normal high is 40, so we're in the ballpark where we should be for this time of year. Looking good out across the Cape and the Islands, though naturally a windy day with winds up to 25 miles per hour. What about Sunday? Well, just more of the same. Sunshine, temps in the 40s, dry, some snow showers up in northern New England and offshore. But check out the 7-day Futurecast and how active it becomes as far as stormy weather, beginning Monday night and extending to perhaps Thursday of next week. A couple of systems that will be coming through with really a wide variety of weather. It's not just snow, it's snow, sleet, and rain. It's one of those situations where you just have to take one of them one day at a time. So to get real detailed at this point is tough, but certainly you can see unsettled conditions starting on Monday night with temperatures next week in the upper 30s. So make the most of the sun. It really goes downhill starting next week. Everything but the kitchen sink. A little bit
that is a crummy-looking outlook, isn't it?
Crummy. That one right down.
Yeah. Right, that's a new weather term, crummy-looking. All right, thanks, Tony.